Now we start with the daily chart. Okay, as we can see, based on daily chart, we have been within this move quite a lot, and even we were expecting whether the price can come to this trend line or not. Okay, no, we don't have any more information, but from what we can see, even we're based on lower time frame, the price is not moving that fast. Okay, but the only thing is we want to see how long we will be within this correction, not the correction, within this move. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup based on the daily chart. In this case, we move to lower time frame. Okay, based on lower time frame, I mean the forward chart, we were expecting, we were looking for sell. We wanted to see whether the price can come to this. Okay, because we were looking for sell. But later on, we realized that the way the market is not moving, okay, maybe we don't get, I mean, we didn't get a good sell setup, and maybe the price won't come to this trend line because maybe we get that this is a correction in relative to this for the next move up. Anyway, based on forward chart, also we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is how deep this one can go. When I'm talking about this correction, this move, how deep this one can go. Okay, in this case, we move to lower time frame and 1 hour chart. We see how we can trade it. Okay, if you refer back to my last videos, we have a few sell from here and here, but as we can see, the price, I mean, it didn't move really fast. Okay, and we didn't have a really good trade. Some of them we have to close in the small profit or break even. Okay, now the things is, again, as I just mentioned, based on higher time frame, whether how deep this one can go, whether this one can go and take this trend line or not. Okay, but right now when we look at this, because last time when the price was around here, we were expecting to get a correction and we wanted the price to drop, but later we see it the way it's moving, it give us a different view. Now the things is, can we put this one in relative to this as a correction? 1 2 3. Okay, then this one become a bigger correction for the next move up. Okay, that's mean from what we have right now, if we get the buy setup, we will be interested in the buy, even if we put our trend line here. Okay, it doesn't mean anything. I mean, the trend line doesn't mean anything, but the things is, we want to see how we can trade from this correction. 1 2 3, we are looking for buy. Okay, but we don't have any buy setup yet, and how deep this one can go, we are not sure. Maybe we get the correction here, price drop before we get the up move, or maybe the price start from here, or even there is a possibility this one can continue, even come to near or take this trend line before we get the up move. But what we expecting, if we want to look for buy, whether the buy, we get the buy from here or we get a correction next move down, or then from there we get up move. Okay, anyway, we don't have any buy setup, but we are looking for the buy. And even for the sell, we don't have any trade setup, unless if we get this any small correction here, we can trade. But any sell, we consider as a short-term sell. That means as long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it. And again, we're looking for buy from this correction, but we don't have any buy setup yet. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any trade setup, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.